Top of the morning to you. Rise and shine, the early bird gets the worm. Yes, this is Fab Fridays. Let's talk about early bird gets the worm real quick. So, physically, the bird that gets to the worm first can be the one that eats, unless the other bird steals it away from her. So, real live, early bird gets the worm first, flies off, then that secures its eating.
Speed camera ahead.
So, what are y'all trying to do? Are y'all trying to secure what you eat, food, clothing, shelter, plus,
Reduce your speed.
Or, thank you, I'm not going that fast though, but so do we secure that, or do we think that, oh, we gonna wait till we get ready to secure our meals? I got a Spanish lesson trying to get back fluent in my Espanol, and in one of the lessons it speaks about a person versus an animal.
Ahead.
The animal just goes out and gets the food when it's hungry, but the person sits back, waits for the Uber Eats and everything to get the meal. But anyway, that's a little funny thing right there with the scenario of animals versus humans. So, Fab Friday, one of the greats, not good personality, but greats as far as what he's done, Irv Gotti of Murder Inc. has passed at 54 years old. Known people associated with him mainly are Ja Rule and Ashanti, two hit makers. And 54 years old, what are we doing that we leaving so early? Most of the time it's that dietary. So ties right back into that early bird gets the worm. But what type of worms are we getting? What type of food are we eating? What type of fuel are we putting in our body? Are we putting in our body something that like say you got a Porsche, or say you got a bucket, you got a Ford, let's say Ford Escape or something, or Ford Explorer. I only have, I think, 2 American cars in my 16 vehicles that I had. Porsches, Lexus, Infinitis. What else I had? BMWs, Benzes. So, when you got that high-end car, you can't put regular fuel up in it. You got to put some high test up in it. So, such as with our bodies. When we got our bodies and we want the optimum production, the optimum use of that body, we got to put the right fuels. The right food and right fuel is the alkaline diet. Coach been teaching on it. I'm going to post that up for you today. But listen, I love you. Just a quick tidbit. Fab Fridays. Early bird gets the worm. Get that.